I will show you how to update your device drivers in Windows 11. Click on the Start button and search for Settings. Click on it and it will take you to your Windows Update menu. Click on Windows Update. Then select Check for Updates. If you have new updates, you can choose to update now. You can also go to your update history to see a list of updates that have already been installed. To update your device drivers, type Device Manager on the search bar. Select Device Manager, and you will see a list of all your devices here. For example, I would like to check and see if I have a new update for my graphics card. Left-click on the display adapters, then right-click on the graphics card. Choose the Update Driver option, then select Automatically Search for Updates. If you don't have the latest version installed, it will let you know and prompt you to update it. This can work for any device here. You can always check back every so often to make sure your devices are up to date. That's it. Thanks for watching.